you can improvise a Rappel harness with a 180 centimeter sewn sling. So right here I have a Dyneema sling, 180 centimeters. Yeah, it's wide, so doesn't fit my style. I prepared a loop made from tubular webbing in nice coyote, also approximately 180 centimeters, maybe probably even a bit longer, or like 2 meters. Now to use this as a harness, super simple. You just place this behind your back like that, put this together and then pull the one between the legs. Now through these two and grab the one which comes between the legs and pull it like that. You can pull it a bit tight. Make sure it's still at a proper height. And now you have these two loops here where you can attach your belay device to. It's super important to use both loops. Yeah, and with this, yeah, you can already rappel and do some fancy stuff. Yeah, super nice, and I was surprised on how comfortable this 1-inch tubular webbing is. Now, the big benefit of this harness is it's quite compact and it's super fast to do, just like that. And yeah, super fast, super fast. Yeah, disadvantage is when it's not weighted and you move around, the leg loops can slide and therefore you lose safety, because like this it's not safe anymore. But as long as you sit in the rope and the harness is weighted, this is quite okay. Of course, this is just an improvised harness. It's not capable of everything a normal real rated climbing harness can do. So make sure to be aware of the limitations of this fancy method. Other disadvantage is that this webbing is not super versatile. Yeah, you can make an anchor on a tree or something, but it's not quite versatile. So yeah, but possibly in your unit you bring tubular webbing. Often people have it on a plate carriers like 9 meters, and this is probably around 4 or 4.5 meters. So if you cut your 9 meters in half, you could do 2 rappel harnesses. When it comes to versatility, I also have shown a video on how to make an improvised harness out of accessory cord. Yeah, it's a lot more versatile, but a lot less comfortable. And with the tubular webbing, it's a lot more comfortable and a lot faster to do. Yeah, I got this idea to do it that way from Axel Manz. He's a well-known rescue instructor here in Germany. So greetings to Axel, and make sure if you want to have some proper rope rescue training here in Europe or in Germany, to get in contact with Axel Manz. I will link him down in the description. Thanks for watching and looking forward to be watched by you again. Bye.